while I'm driving. This can't be safe, nor can this be prescribed. So I'll see you when I stop the car.
ये GoPro है क्या भाई?
हाँ है.
वो क्या चाह रही है?
ये कैमरा.
Love crime.
Okay. So I picked up 3 pairs of the 512 taper jeans. If you're a sneakerhead, if you love to show off your kicks, you must pick up a 512 tapered jeans by Levi's. There he is.
Hi, Cookie. Hi. Dada's home. Oh, Dada's got Levi's. You want to try them on?
Yay. Well, these are my shoes. Such a mess. But I'm gonna try and build a proper shelf. Nap time, guys. Bye.
Eventually.
What's up?
Are you recording?
Yeah, I am.
Oh shit, no, it's not.
No, that's not me. Your waistline, that's not me. Sex in your heart, that's not me. All my niggas feel your best, they ain't gon' pass this shit. You should think about it. My prima, listen to me,
Six and a half hours later.
Baby, cause this is bliss. Give me all your kisses, baby. Give me all your kisses, baby, cause this is bliss. Give me all your kisses, baby. Give me all your kisses, baby, cause this is bliss. Give me all your kisses, baby.
What's up, you guys? I'm in Bombay right now. I'm here with Adidas for an event called #NeverDone. Entire day, that's 7 a.m. till 8 p.m. of working out, yoga, kickboxing, I think. Functional training, CrossFit, I'm not sure. So I had a gig at Koramangala Social. I was hammered, woke up the next morning, packed my bags, got to Bombay, and then we're here now today. Let's give you a quick tour of the room. So my bags, the TV, unkempt bed. That's like a fold out bed, but I ain't got no friends, so it's just gonna sit like that. Interesting door. What's behind it? What the hell? That view though. And of course the loo. But then we don't want to go in there. And as you can see, kitted out in Adidas everything. Got the Ultra Boost Uncaged, Tech Fit tights, shorts. Unfortunately, I left one of my bags back home, so I don't have my gym tee, which is why I am in an Adidas Originals tee. Look at all this fine physical specimen. 0 fat percentage. And then look at me. Wave to the camera, wave, yeah. Who was that? We can't see him. Who was that? Like I'm sure this is where all the remix videos get shot of Bollywood movies and all this. So we've got our kits. We're headed to the workout zone. Shit!
You know, when I normally walk into a room, people say you're the fittest person in the room. We also believe that everybody we associate with is a creator.
On the way down, scoop up and then scoop down. With that we have a push-up jack or a plank jack. That's 100 kilo jack, somebody!
I'm just recording whatever I can salvage, I will.
Santosh!
He's gone to look at the ocean.
Santosh! Just goodbye for now.
Take it easy, man.
You too.
I'll see you soon.
Yeah.
Have a
Hit me
safe
up when
flight.
you're in Delhi.
I will.
I'll hit you up when I'm in Bangalore.
Do that. Or in Bombay from December.
You're in Bombay from December?
Yeah.
Nice.
So that's it. It's time for me to pack and get out of the hotel as well. That's exactly how sunny it is in Bombay right now. Like, damn! And the watch just gets charged 5 seconds out in the sun and it's glowing like that. Thank you. दिन शुभ रहे आपका. Thanks. It's not too bad actually, like it. Like a lion's manes, you think?
Sahil bhai sab.
12 seconds later.
So yeah. What about Peri price?
Not very American.
They should light the entire thing up, man.
Bite and scratch for no reason.
Thank you. Yes.
I'm not sure how this will be. You have customers, I don't have customers. I have a solution, you have customers.
This is the infamous berry pulao from Britannia. Chilling with Kapil and his Bombay duck. And Sahil, who's feeling guilty because he broke my mic. On a Saturday.
Here on my own, feeling confused, I'm slightly amused by it all. I'm wavy, you have no control. My mind is blossoming lately.
Tomorrow for sure.
I don't think I've ever seen the airport this empty and deserted. The benefits of flying in on a holiday.
Big full breath on my baby. Trip away, couldn't wait the love I got for the girl.